So, what is the real meaning of unity? Does that mean we look the same? We behave the same? Or does it really mean something else? Well, let's look at this. This is La Mian, mee tarik in Malay terms. Well, it is a Chinese food, and you would expect only Chinese would eat it, right? But guess what? This is Shamil, and he's enjoying it very much. What about this? This is nasi ayam, a very delicious Malay food. The same, you would only expect Malay would eat it, right? But guess who this is? This is Chinwei, and he is well enjoying it too.
Like a life without love.
Oh my god, look at this mountain. This is roti tissue, an Indian food. And the same, you would only expect an Indian would eat it, right? But guess what? An Indian is eating it. This is Sachin. But not only him, Shamil and Chinwei is sharing the food with him.
I wish I could change.
Well, now you kind of get the idea. Unity isn't just about the sameness, right? It's about the abundance we have, the differences we carry, and that's what makes us special. Imagine a world where everyone looked the same, spoke the same, acted the same. Would that be interesting? No, that would be boring. But our differences, the way we think, our traditions, our languages, that is what makes the world vibrant. Unity is when we learn from each other, not by trying to be alike, but by embracing our differences as strengths. It's time to stop labeling each other. In this land we call home, we only go by one and only name. We are all Malaysian. Unity is about coming together to achieve a shared goal, even when we see the world in different ways. Unity is about respecting every uniqueness, because when we unite, we create something greater than ourselves. Because, well, in the end, unity doesn't mean losing our identities. It means celebrating them together. Although all of us look different and we have different journeys, we still share the common humanity. And unity begins with you.